happy without me. 'Cause I cried the other day. I thought I saw a future on the day that I first met you. On the day we parted ways, I meant to say it all ends with us, but nothing ends because when you love someone this way, they never leave. And the whole space for you, and remember forever how